Just struggling and trying to smile at the same time.
What's going on?
I got nothing to go in with tomorrow. I don't have any pre-trial statement. Like, sent me a whole list of things that I was supposed to have completed already, and I had no idea. Like mandatory disclosure, I don't even know what that is. Like, there's a handful of things, like a list of stuff, and I have no idea what they are.
And she didn't tell you what to. But don't you don't have the pretrial conference statement?
No.
That was never mailed to you?
What do you mean? Are you talking about from Brian?
No, the order that said that like all the stuff that you have to do in preparation for the pretrial conference.
Yes. And remember I said that I got it 17 days late?
Yeah. Okay, but you have, so that gives you everything you need to do, and you have Brian's thing as well, right?
Right, where they called me a murderer repeatedly and said I'm psychologically unfit to be a parent.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah,